So behaviour change has always been at the heart of what we've done at Hive Learning and Hive Perform. So around 10 years ago, we set off on a journey to support sporting organisations to build the right behaviours for high-performing teams. So we used to work with companies like the IOC, the FA, to help bring groups of people together around the best behaviours for coaching and performance enhancement. Our second phase of the journey was then working alongside enterprise organisations, looking at how do we help businesses equip leaders with the right skills and behaviours which are going to help transform the organisation over a period of a year or 2 years and beyond. And so we built the tech using key things like social learning, peer nudges, to be able to engage people in conversation around behaviour change. We'd look at how we took an LMS performance of around kind of 20% engagement rates up to 80% consistently engaging, and helping organisations like Boots, PepsiCo, AT&T, UKG to be able to take their leadership offsites and turn them into a year-long change programme, which made a difference to their organisation. And then 2 years ago, with the unlock of AI, we realised that we could now start to think about behaviour change in a very different way. So we started focusing on the particular area of sales, and instead of asking ourselves the question of how do we train reps to perform better and change their behaviour, how do we actually help reps to close more deals more effectively? So we focused on the SQL to close, and actually if we look at behaviour change, the first thing we need to do is identify the data and the intelligence which informs us of where that team is at, and then how do we use that intelligence to then think about how we help either individuals, teams or leaders to change the behaviour to help them to increase sales performance. So our journey has taken us from behaviour change in sports through to enterprise organisations, and then with the unlock of AI we've gone hyper-personalised into sales and looking at now how we help high-performing sales teams to improve from SQL through to close.